The future of AI in the USA. Hey friends. I am Dr. Naeem. Welcome to Trends AI Today. If you're passionate about AI trends and future technologies shaping America, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay ahead of the curve with every update. Will AI dominate the American economy, or will it redefine how we live and work? The future of AI in the USA is closer than you think. From groundbreaking innovations to transformative industries, let's explore what's coming next in the world of AI and how it will shape America's future. Segment number 1: AI-powered healthcare revolution. Number 1. AI is transforming healthcare by enhancing early diagnosis, personalized treatments, and robotic surgeries. Number 2. In 2025, AI is predicting diseases with unprecedented accuracy, assisting doctors, and reducing human errors. Number 3. In the future, AI will make healthcare faster, cheaper, and more accessible across America. Segment number 2: AI in education, smarter learning. Number 1. AI is reshaping education with personalized learning tools that adapt to each student's pace. Number 2. Virtual tutors, AI-powered assessments, and customized resources are enhancing student success. Number 3. In the future, AI will make education more inclusive and efficient, ensuring no learner is left behind. Segment number 3: AI's role in American business growth. Number 1. AI is driving smarter decision-making and automating operations in American businesses. Number 2. From AI-driven analytics to automated customer service, companies are reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Number 3. In the future, businesses that adopt AI will thrive, while others risk falling behind. Segment number 4: AI and national security. Number 1. AI is becoming critical for national security, from cyber defense to data analysis. Number 2. AI systems are helping the government predict threats, secure infrastructure, and manage complex data faster. As AI technology advances, America will strengthen its security with smarter, faster systems. AI is not just the future, it's the present, and it's reshaping every part of American life. Which AI development excites you the most? Comment below. And if you want to stay updated with the latest AI trends, like this video, subscribe to Trends AI Today, and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts.